This is a tutorial on how I create my fluid pours and enhancements. Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today's video is a tutorial on how I create my fluid pours and enhancement. I show you step by step how I do this, so keep watching to the end. Okay, so this is a 12 by 36 inch canvas. It's a gallery wrap, and that's 30 centimeters by 91 centimeters. And I'll show you the colors that I'm going to use. This is just a plain white Artist Loft that's already been mixed with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. And this is leftover paint that was always mixed, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I don't have the container for that. This is a phthalo green, which I will, again, 2 parts Floetrol. That's always the same. A hunter green, a sky blue, and a sapphire blue. And then this one here is a house paint. It's a sample, so it's Valspar, and it's called Midnight Shadow. So I'm going to show you how I mix one, and then I'll do all the rest. And I do them all the same. And I eyeball this. So that's looks about a third. Put my strainer on and add the Floetrol. 1, 2, and that looks like about 2/3. That's about right, and I'll see the consistency. A little more, a little less, doesn't make a big difference. Not for this. And then I just mix it really well. And it takes a little while for the colors to incorporate. But here it is. You can see the light blue coming through. There you go. And then, that doesn't take long. I add 1 teaspoon of water, and I don't even measure that. Here you go. That's about a teaspoon. There's the water. Mix it in, and it changes the consistency right away. And that's it. That's what I want. And I'm going to do that for all of them. Mix it really well. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all my colors mixed, and so what I want to do is sky with landscape, and let's see what happens. I think the colors will work well together, but we'll see. I fall to pieces each time someone speaks your name. I fall to pieces. Time only adds to the flame. So I decided to start off with a song because I love it so much and I've sung it so many times, and just a little snippet for you all. I knew I wanted to blow the paint horizontally across the canvas, and that's why I laid the paint down that way. You can see in this up close image that some of that green paint, a few dots of it got into the white, and that's why I'm kind of pouring this part over again. If you're just starting out doing this technique, the best thing is to get a hairdryer that has a cool setting. You want to blow the paint on a cool setting, and you want it to be on your lowest setting as well. You don't want the paint to be flying all over the place. It overmixes and it doesn't look good. I always keep that nozzle on the end of my hair dryer. I know some people have a huge opening, but I don't like that. I find that I have a lot more control with that nozzle on. So here it is from my side, and wow, I think it looks great. I love the sky and this green meadows here and kind of mountains, and I can't wait for it to dry. I might be even enhancing it a little bit. I'm not sure. I'll see what it looks like when it is dry. So I'll see you back here in just 1 second, but wow, I really love it. Look, it is an abstract sky. It's going to be an abstract landscape, but it's got a lot of beautiful detail to it. Looks yellow here, but it's just the light green mixed with the white. I think it looks wonderful. Anyway, I'll see you back here in just 1 second. So here it is, dried up. It took 2 days to do that, 2 days to dry, but look how beautiful. So interesting. These details are fabulous. I love that they kind of look like rocks with moss on them. And I decided I will definitely enhance it. It does look a little dark, especially here. And so I want to lighten it up and bring some of that blue down into this valley, maybe add some water. I love seeing water. So that's what I'm doing next. So keep watching. I always love the process of adding the paint. I call it enhancement of the painting, because the painting is already beautiful in my eyes, and you're just adding to it, enhancing it to make it even better. Now, when I enhance, I see things one way. You may see this painting another way, and you might have chosen to do it differently. And that is the beauty of this, that you can do the same or close to the same and get a totally different result because of the way you see the painting. I think adding the flow of the water in various directions gives it a lot of interest. It's a lot more interesting to see a painting when your eyes can go here and there. And that's why my paintings have a lot of movement. I just think it's a lot more interesting than one straight river going down the middle of the canvas. I decided that this painting needed a bit more of a focal point, and that's why I'm adding these trees there. It shows you kind of where to start looking. The cells in this painting really looked like a lot of rocks to me, and I just thought it would be interesting to add some kind of more realistic looking rocks by the edge there where the water is rushing by. I'm just adding highlights here and there, especially in areas where it's dark. I changed this area up a few times, and I just wanted to have something more interesting happening in that area, so kept working on it until I was happy with it. And here's a close-up of the painting. I think adding this water here really made a big difference to it. I'm glad I enhanced it. It did bring the colors from the sky down to the landscape into this valley, and I think it was a good idea. Anyway, I love the way it looks. Look at that. A little set of trees there, some rocks here, and then kind of some suggestion of some more trees there. Lightened it up over there, and I think overall it looks really good. Here are the colors that I used. They're upside down, but I can remember this is a Pebeo Payne's Gray, and a blue sky, light sky, and phthalo green, titanium white, sap green, and light olive green. And those were the colors that I enhanced it with. If you click on the link you see now, you'll see more of my paintings. The name of this painting is River. I have a new Facebook group called Soraya Silvestri Artist, Amazing Abstracts and Pours. Promote your art. The link is in the description area below. Check it out.